Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I want to show you a modified version of the Jumbo treat card that we are doing. I found an easier way and I wanted to make sure I got that information to you. This is a 16 by 20 that I am working on. And I know in the previous video, what I did was I outsourced my prints to Walgreens and I got the adhesive sticker that I put on the foam board, but instead of going that route, it was very, very costly to do it that way, to purchase the adhesive posters. So I just went ahead and got the regular posters. And what I did was I used a spray adhesive to put the poster onto the foam board, and it worked really, really good, and I cut it that way. So I wanted to give you that tip too, so it can save you some money on trying to do the adhesive poster prints from Walgreens. And I got this from Hobby Lobby. I'm pretty sure Amazon has it. I will find a link to it and I will leave it in the description. And the next thing I wanted to let you know, in the previous video, with the lid, I used the Gorilla Glue, and that was just a little too messy for me. So I saw someone else who put me on to the double-sided mounting tape. I got this from Amazon. It was 2 in a roll, and one of them is a little smaller than the other one. But what you will do is just take a little strip from it, and then what I did was just place it in the 4 corners of my lid. I do like to tape everything down on the inside, so that way when I do flip it over, I don't have to worry about things going everywhere. And this is what it looks like. So I have my tape on there. The only thing is with the lid, it is sometimes very hard to peel the little thin clear layer of plastic that comes over the outside of the tape. Because if your eyes are like mine, you can't really see that well. But once you find where it starts, you just peel it off just like this. So I went ahead and peeled the other little areas. And now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put it onto the board. And you wanna be careful when you put it onto the board because it's very durable. Once you place it down, it's gonna stick, okay? So make sure you have it in the right spot. So I'm gonna flip it just like this. I'm gonna make sure that I can see where I want it placed. And then we're just gonna drop it down over it just like this. Just gonna press it into the board. And the other good thing about this tape, when the kids go to remove the lid from the board, they can easily peel the tape back and it will not tear into the design, because as you can see, the design is so beautiful. So if they want to keep it, they want to put it up in their rooms or on their wall, they can do that without worrying about tearing up the actual poster. So this is another good reason to go ahead and do it this way versus the glue, because I feel like the glue is just going to be really, really messy. When you go to remove it, it's going to tear into the poster and then it's just going to be ruined. And I know I'm charging a nice amount of money for these, so I'm pretty sure that the parents or grandparents are going to want the kids to be able to use the boards even after the treats are gone. But that is all I wanted to do. That is what I wanted to show you. This is how it came out. I've done several of these this way and they are very sturdy, and I mean, you're not going to have any problems. So I hope this has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
I ain't going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.